Hi guys, can I be real with you guys sometimes, okay? Welcome back to my house. You guys were a small creator once too. Like the Trade family, maybe a Nazala family, they were all small creators. Including Brooke Monk, Natalie Relons, Piper O'Kel, all of them were small creators. And once they all just blew up on TikTok. They all just blew up YouTube. Can I be real with you guys sometimes? Me and other small creators are also willing to do that. We also want to become big YouTubers like you guys. But yet, every day we struggle to edit. We brainstorm our minds. We have to work every day. Our thumbs, our fingers are sore of editing. And yet, it gets zero likes. Maybe just 16 views. Not even 100 likes, not even 1,000 views, not even 1 million views. Just 1 or 16 or 18 or 20 or even views. Just a little. And that is breaking us as small creators' hearts. We want to become like you guys. We have no subscribers. Small creators out there try to edit so hard, they try to do everything to become big one day, and yet their dreams never come true. So please, just this once, tell your friends, your family, everybody to subscribe to the Small Creators because they are trying as hard as they can to become a big YouTuber one day, and yet their dreams never come true. Please, guys, I'm asking very nicely to please tell your friends, your family, everybody to subscribe to Small Creators. You guys that were big creators were also small creators like us. So you guys need to give the small creators likes too so that they can become like you. And they will tell their friends and family to subscribe to you. So you must help us become big so that we can tell them, our friends, family, and everybody subscribe to you guys. Also, so please, guys, just this once, make Small Creators' dreams come true. You don't know what they are going through. Thank you, guys.